if you are eyeing for the newest collection of Kate Spade, which is the Natalia collection, especially the flap crossbody, the bag that I'm about to share with you is pretty similar to that, with the features. It's just they have different color. So if you're eyeing for that bag, if you are not yet decided to buy that bag, maybe this video can help you. So keep up with me until the end of this video. Hi guys, so it's me again, Gla, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And a while ago, I did the bag review for the Coach Dome Crossbody, and right now I'm doing another one because I want to complete all of the bag reviews with all of the bags that are available here before we go to the province. We're planning to celebrate Christmas and New Year in the province, so it's like a month that will be staying there and before we go back here in Manila. So I don't want to bring them with me, just to do the bag review in there. So I'm really trying my best to complete all of the bag reviews despite of my busy schedule. The bag that I'm talking about is this. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the tag. The name of this bag is Small Flap Crossbody Lovebirds Neon Peony. And that's the reason why I mentioned earlier, if you're eyeing for the Natalia Flap Crossbody, it's pretty similar. They just have different design. That one is in kilted. This one is just a plain Saffiano leather with this Lovebirds design. But in terms of features, functionality, they're both the same. It's just they have different materials and color. So there. The retail price for this bag, I don't have it in US dollar, but I have it here in Canadian dollars. It's $269, and in peso, I'm selling this actually for 4,200, but the price ranges from 4,000 to 5,500. Again, it depends on the store promotion. So the color of this bag, it's pretty obvious. It's actually in color pink, but to be specific, it's in neon peony. There. The material of this bag is in Saffiano leather. Even the strap is in Saffiano leather. It has this silver hardware. The strap is actually removable but not adjustable. Removable because you can detach this one inside of the bag. This you can just easily grab it, and then the strap is already removed. Moving on, this bag has this Kate Spade signature logo. It's actually in silver hardware as well. Kate Spade New York, then the Spade design. It has this lovebirds. It adds a little design to the bag. It looks actually cute because of this lovebirds. And then it has this back slip that you could put your phone actually, or some things that you want to put in here for you to easily grab the item or your things or your belongings. Okay, when you open the bag, it has this flap closure there, flap closure, and then inside here it's actually in dark brown there. And even inside, it's also in dark brown color there. It's a Spade jacquard lining. And then, as mentioned, this is removable for you to use it as a clutch. And then it has this Spade logo inside. It's actually a smooth leather. And then it has this, I'm guessing this, it's like a wallet on chain bag. So here you could put your bills. Here it's a bill compartment. It has this gift receipt and care tag. And here you have six card slots, and you have this main compartment for you to put your essentials like your phones, your wallets, wallets, maraming wallet, your phone, your wallet, and maybe your pressed powder or lipstick that could actually fit in this bag. And it has also this inside zip pocket, extra zip pocket that you can put probably maybe your coins. Since you have your bill compartment in here, probably this is for your coins. So there, this is those are the features of this flap crossbody bag. Let's measure the bag. For the length, it's 7.75 inches. It's close to 8 inches actually. For the height, it's 4.5 inches. For the width, it's 2 inches. Across the top, it's also 2 inches. Those are the measurements of this bag. Now, let's try to put things inside, probably in the middle compartment, because as mentioned, you could use this as a bill compartment. You could put all of your bills and then your cards, and then this one, an extra zipper pocket that you could put your coins. And here's the main compartment. Maybe you could put your wipes or tissue like that there, and then your phone, you could also put your phone in here. Then probably your purse, like your small wallet. But if I'm gonna use this bag, probably I'm just gonna use my purse, and I'll be going to remove the card case. So here, so there, actually few things that can fit inside, like maybe 2 to 3 items that can fit in here, including your phone. So now, after giving you the basic information, the measurements of this bag, and also to try what are the things that can fit in this bag, I'm also gonna show you on how it looks like once I try it on. So at this point, I'm gonna show you on how it looks like once I'm wearing this flap crossbody. So for this bag, you could use it as a long shoulder bag, as a crossbody, and a clutch. So first, as a crossbody, again for your reference, I'm in 5'2" in height, so this is how it looks like once I'm using this as a crossbody. Okay, so this is how it looks like as a crossbody bag. And as a long shoulder bag, again, the strap of this bag is not adjustable, so it is what it is. So there, as a long shoulder bag. There. And you could also use this as a clutch. You could just simply remove the strap, or you can put it here inside. But you can actually remove the strap by simply pulling it here. For example, the strap has been removed already, so you could use it as a clutch like that. So my thoughts on this bag, if you are a pink lover just like me, then no question, you will love and you will like this bag because of the color. Plus, it has this, lovebirds. It adds a little design that makes the bag so cute. There. I also like that it's compact. You have a lot of compartments. Well, earlier during the demo that I'm putting things inside, I put my purse actually, but I would suggest not to bring any wallets with you, because it's, as mentioned, this is a chain on wallet. It's like a chain on wallet bag, so you don't have to bring your wallets with you na. You have your bill compartment, you have your coin compartment, you have also the card slots for you to put your cards. All you have to do is put all of your essentials like your phones, tissue or wipes, sanitizer, small kit like for you to put your pressed powder or lipstick for retouch, then you're good to go. This bag is a small, compact, and on-the-go bag for you to use like if you want to stroll, if you want to go to the mall, if you want to go to grocery, if you want to meet your friends for a lunch date, then this one is perfect for you. It's a daytime bag. Although, okay, this is just my thoughts on this bag. Like it could have been better if the strap is adjustable, because when I tried it as a crossbody, it's just perfect. I'm in 5'2" in height. I'm just concerned with those people or with those women who's taller than me, or because we don't have the same height, so it could have been better if the strap is adjustable. And then as I said, this is just for daytime because of the color. You can use it as a clutch. For me, clutch is more on a formal side of bag, but yeah, maybe if you can pull it off, then why not? As a clutch, and if you want to use this in the evening or in nighttime, then I would suggest to choose a color like probably a plain color with no design, and choose like black or like a maroon for you to use in the evening. So that's it. That's just my thoughts on this bag. And if you're still watching, thank you so much for keeping up with me until the end of this video. And if you're new here, I hope you consider in subscribing. And if you like this video, please click the like button and hit nyo na rin yung notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I uploaded a new video. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much, and until my next video. Bye!